We are at the topic of analogy and similarity. Hope you very well understood the part first. If you've seen, then this going to be make you the very fulfillment. If you not seen, then a link given in the description, go and watch that part first. So we are going to be talk about that. Before starting, I want to tell you this day series going on. So today is the day second, and this is the part second. All right, part second have of analogy and similarity. I want to again tell you this thing, analogy and similarity. We are containing here part first we have completed. This is a part second have. Before part first you will not make sure fully understand, but if you are came here, so you try to understand, I will make you sufficiently surely understand. Now question what saying? Question saying road related to Dahmer, then in same relation according to option, okay, then same relation according to option, find which is similar as road related to Dahmer. Option number first what saying sugar cane related to sugar cane related to sugar, and option second what saying cloth related to shirt, and option number third what saying pen related to pencil, and option 4 what saying metal related to ore. Got my point? Metal related to ore. Dear students, this question coming from PYQ based, okay? Just a minute, give to me, just a minute only. Okay, this question came from PYQ. This question asked by CHSL, SSC CHSL 2018 tier first examination. Got my point or not? This question has been asked by CHSL 2018. This is PYQ have. You try to understand the first word and the second word relation. Saying road related to Dahmer, that means this confirm have this is road. Got my point? To constructing the road we need Dahmer, that is you can say one part of road is Dahmer. Getting my point or not? Even you can say road prepared, construct by Dahmer. Yes or no? Road construct by Dahmer. That means second option giving help to making first option. So check it. Second option giving help to make first. Is sugar possible to making sugar cane? No, sugar cane make sugar. Yes or no, students? Is second option here you looking Dahmer making road? Yes or no? But sugar here, first option sugar making sugar cane. This 100% wrong. Have you already know sugar cane making sugar, not sugar make sugar cane. Get my point? Next thing, pencil making pen is right. Have pencil making pen relation match Dahmer making road. Pencil making pen wrong. Have pencil not making pen here. Okay, next saying shirt making cloth 100% wrong. Have because shirt not make cloth, cloth make shirt. Yes, so this also wrong. Have because here second option helping to first option in constructing, same option match. You are looking or making to metal, with help of or we can make metal or not? Yes, confirm we can make metal. Yes or no? As we can with the help of Dahmer we can make road, same as with the help of or we can make metal. So the right answer is option number beta 4. Got my point or not? This is most important question asked by CHSL 2018 examination tier first have. Get? Okay, now very deeply understand same as questions which has been asked by examination of PYQ basis. Those questions I will give you here practice. Getting my point or not? Here not useless time your waste, only which time take, those time will be 100% usually I will use. Okay, now firstly erase, then come on second question. And you everyone, please, if you are a new member have, so please go watch part first, because part first is very much important have. Okay, part first are very necessary. Second question what saying editor related to newspaper. What saying beta? This is question number 12, because in the part first 10 done have, part second is starting by 11. So this is 12 have newspaper related to editor beta. newspaper related to beta editor. Yes beta, editor. Got my point beta? Same relation find beta, same relation find which two option matching as like newspaper with editor. Newspaper editor have or editor newspaper have, good, no problem, right have. Okay beta, next option take. But here one issue है बेटा, because question which one CHSL asked have 2018, here this option editor given at the first place, newspaper given second place. Yes or no? So we will also use that formation. Okay, just a second only give to me, because if we will use a replacement as then problem give. Yes, same we will use editor beta, editor beta related to newspaper. Got my point beta? Editor related to newspaper beta, same relation find of two option which matching together. Yes or no? So option number first beta saying, option number first, farmer related to cell, farmer related to beta cell. Option number second beta saying a chef related to knife beta, chef related to knife, wife not beta, here knife have. Okay, chef related to knife. And option number third beta saying here wall related to mechanic, wall beta related to mechanic. Got my point? Wall related to mechanic beta. And fourth option beta saying poet related to beta poem, poet related to beta poem. Confirm have any problem beta? Poet related to poem. Here come and understand, here what saying, here saying editor edit newspaper, that mean option first making to option second. Yes, option first is the person who working on option second. Yes, word first is the person who making and working on the option number second or word number second. So first number check beta. Farmer is also person. This is the name of profession. This is also name of profession, farmer. Farmer cell is relation between farmer and cell. As editor edit newspaper, farmer selling cell. No beta, wrong have. Here check. Chef knife, chef relation knife have. Chef is name of person, name of profession, and chef knife is the name of things, not any relation have beta. Yes. Third option come wall constructing by mechanic. Yes, right have. But one thing understand, here name of the person, name of the profession at the first place have. Editor is the first place have, but here mechanic at the second place have. This is also name of profession. Mechanism is the name of profession. Editor is the name of profession. So mechanic at the second have, but editor at the first have. So this option will be not match. If mechanic here have, wall here have, then this option will be right. But here this matter not have. So this is wrong have. Here saying beta poet and poem. Yes, poet is the name word of profession. Yes, poet who who write the poem. So here work have. This is the beta. This is the name of profession. This is the name of profession matching. This is the name of job, and this is the name of job. Matching or not beta? So option number 4 will be right answer beta. Option number 4 will be a right option. This question has been asked by CHSL beta, CHSL 2018 batch beta, and tier first. Got my point or not beta? Tier first, this question has been asked by CHSL 2018. We are working on beta PYQ. PYQ is the most important have beta. PYQ give us a very good result. Getting my point or not beta? Okay, now come on the next question. Hope you everyone understanding very good. Okay, and PYQ everyone very good practice give. PYQ is most important have beta. Now question number 13. Question number 13 what saying beta? Rabbit related to beta animal. Yes, rabbit beta, rabbit related to beta animal. Getting my point? Rabbit related to beta animal. Then two things find which matching together beta. Very simple have. According to option you can solve this question. First of all thing understand, rabbit related to animal. So two option find. Option number first, sun related to moon. Sun related to beta moon. Option number second saying beta animal beta related to cow. animal related to cow. Option number third what saying beta? Option number third saying lion related to bird. Lion related to beta bird. Option number 4 saying beta pentagon related to shape. Pentagon related to beta shape. Very simple have. This question has been asked by CHSL 2018. Now here understand name of the animal. Getting my point? Rabbit is the name of animal. That mean first option. And word number first telling about the word number second. Rabbit is the one kind of animal and name of animal. Here you can say rabbit is the animal. That means first option is related to second option and second option telling to about the first option. Get my beta? Saying sun and moon. Sun and moon relation. Sun is a star. Yes or no? Sun is a star. Moon is not a star. So how the relation same have? That's why these both are difference have and cancel have. Next question saying beta animal is cow. Right have. Animal is cow. But one thing understand. Here saying rabbit name of the animal at the first place. But here name of the animal at the second place. So this option will be wrong. Now lion is bird. Lion is bird. How have? Lion is animal have beta. Lion is animal have. Lion is bird not have. So this option will be cancelled. Now here saying pentagon is a shape. Yes, pentagon is a shape. Right have. Pentagon is the name of shape and shape tells about the pentagon. As rabbit is animal, as pentagon is shape. So option number 4 will be right option. This question also has been asked by CHSL 2018. Beta tier first have. Okay, got my point. Any problem, any candidate? Hope you very good understanding each and every question in detail wise. Yes. Okay, now note down everyone fast. Okay, very good. Now we are going for the next question. So this question number 13. Now number 14 question will tell about that same PYQ basis. Number 14 question saying wheel related to cycle. Yes, wheel related to, this is L have, okay. Wheel related to cycle beta. Then one relation find will match together as this option matching. Getting my point or not? Option here what giving those option understand. Option number first fan related to wings. Option number first beta fan related to wings. Yes, the relation of fan with wings. Option number second beta what saying book have here, okay. Book related to content, capital letter use, capital letter. Book related to content. Okay, got my point. Book related to content. Option number third what saying beta? Option number third here saying pen related to write. Pen related to write. And option number 4 what saying? Option number 4 saying cockpit related to aeroplane. Got my point? Now come on the solution. How we can understand? Here you are looking, this is wheel have. Yes or no? Wheel is the part of cycle. Yes or no? Wheel is the part of cycle and beta wheel help. Wheel misunderstanding. This is wheel. Yes or no? This is wheel have. Got my point or not? Wheel is the and wheel. Here have one more wheel make. This is wheel have and wheel is the part of cycle. Whose part hai beta? So part of cycle have. Got my point or not? Okay beta. Okay, this is cycle have, permanent cycle not have, understandably. This is cycle have and basic thing understand, which is important have, wheel is the part. Wheel is the part of cycle. That means first is the part of second option. Main matter. First word is the part of second word. Option such beta. fan is the part of wing. Wrong. First option is the part of, second option no. If wings at the first place, then right have. Wings is the part of fan, not fan is the part of wing. Got my point? This option is wrong because here first place is fan given directly. Second option C. Here saying beta book related to content means book is the here book is the one word have which is making, which is constructing content. Wrong. Content, with the help of content we make book, not with help of book we make content. So this option also wrong. If this word content at the first place and book word at the second place, then this option maybe can be right. Come here. Option number third saying pen related to write. Here no any relation have, because pen is the name of thing and write is the name of work. So both are difference have here. That's why this option also will be wrong. Work on fourth number option. Cockpit and aeroplane. Cockpit is the part of aeroplane. That means first word is the part of second word. That's why this option will be right. Here option number 4 is the right option have. Yes, because wheel is the part of cycle, same as cockpit is also is the part of aeroplane. Got my point? Okay. This question also has been asked in CHSL 2018. This is also beta PYQ have. Got my point? We are working on PYQs. Okay, just a second. Okay, very good. Now next question, number 15. 15 number question also on basis of PYQ. Question what saying this, understand. Number 15 question saying if death related to born beta, what have death relation have with born? Just a minute, wait. Okay, here saying question number 15, death relation with born, then one option search beta, one option search which option matching together as matching born and death. Got my point or not? Okay, hope you understood very well. Option here what giving? Option here giving above related to slow, above related to slow. Second option saying beta import related to export, import related to export. And option number third what saying huge related to wide, huge related to wide. And fourth option saying victory related to beta match. Now let's start the solution of this question. Question saying death related to born. These both are antonym together, opposite together. What have beta antonym? Hashtag antonym. Yes or no? These both are in together, antonym have. Opposite word have. Same opposite word. Above means upside, slow means speed matter have. These both are different not have. Here we have to matter opposite and these both are not opposite formation, not a similar formation. Import opposite export. Yes, import opposite export have. Right or wrong? Import opposite what have beta? Export. Because one side importing, so second side exporting. Yes or no? Similar have or not? These second number option is the right option. Now third option also check. Huge. Huge means understanding this kind. In the large size. Next step of large is called huge. Much large is called huge. Very large is called huge. Wide means length area. Length high have, length much have, then called wide. So these are difference have. Victory is match. We get the victory in the match. This is the nature of match thing. Even you will defeat match, even you will victory get in the match. So this is also different. Option number second is the right option. This question same has PYQ basis asked have in CHSL 2018 examination CHSL. Got my point? Okay, any problem? Hope you understood very well. Now next question, what saying, question number 16. Question number 16 very important है. What saying, let's understand. Saying river related to Krishna, river related to Krishna. Okay, same as find words, which words match together, yes or no? Option number A, what saying, please, a planet related to sun, planet related to beta sun. Option number B, what saying, mountain related to K2, mountain related to beta K2. Option number third, what saying, moon related to satellite, moon related to satellite. Got my point? And option number fourth, what saying, earth related to grass, earth related to grass. Confirm? Okay. Now question, what saying, this understand, river and Krishna, second word. You everyone know the name of, one is the name of river is Krishna, Krishna is the name of river. That can say second option is the name of first option, match. Sun is planet, sun is planet, wrong, sun is not a planet, sun is star है, yes or no? Mountain K2, second option is the name or part of first word. Even can say second word is the name of first word. Yes, K2 is the mountain as Krishna is the river. Yes or no? So B number option is the right option, because Krishna is the name of river, so K2 is the name of mountain. Yes, third option also check. Moon is satellite. No, moon is not a satellite. This is 100% wrong. You everyone know. Earth is grass. No, earth is not grass. Earth is planet have. So cancel. So option number B is the right option have. So here this question also has been asked in CHSL 2018. All PYQ you are getting, yes or no? Most important PYQ have. 17th number question. Here we have space. 17 number question saying beta army related to soldier, beta. What saying, army related to soldier? Yes or no? Army related to soldier. Then option number first, what saying, team or turip have one word, troupe have troupe. Okay, troupe related to artist, beta. Troupe means team also can say. Okay, artist. Option number B, what saying, wheel related to car, wheel related to car. Got my point or not? Option number C, what saying, principal related to school, principal related to beta school beta. And next option, fourth number, what saying, minister related to council, minister related to beta council. Got my point? Now understand this question, what saying, question saying if army is related to soldier, then two option match, which two option matching as matching first option. You everyone know the group of soldiers, is called army. Second word is the group of first word. Simple. Soldier is the group of, yes or no? Soldier is the group have of army. Yes or no? Second option is the group of first option. So artist is the group of troupe. No, troupe is the group of artist here have. So this is wrong, because troupe if at the second place have, then this answer will be right. Here saying wheel and car. Wheel is the part of car. Here not any matter matching, because second option is the group of first word. If collection of soldiers make in the army, then collection of car not make wheel. So this option will be wrong option. Here saying school, second word take, second word is the collection of first words. Schools make principal. No, principal runs school. So this option will be also wrong. Yes or no? So which option can be right? You everyone tell. The council, here option number first. Here council, you are looking, the word is council. The group of councils make ministers. Is possibilities have or not have? Here one doubt word have, you all every tell. Okay, so this answer will be also wrong. Here no answer, no option is right. This question has been asked in CHSL 2018. PYQ have 2018 question have. Okay, now we are going to try one more option which can be right. Here all the options given as the similar basis. Get my point? Now here one word have troop. Troop can say as a team. Get my point or not? Team. Yes, and artist have. If army you are looking, soldiers group makes army. Yes or no? Same as here if you will say, then artist group make troop. Possible have or not have? Maybe not possible have. Yes, soldier group as team group of artists. So this is right have. Option number A. I don't know which option here selected by SSC, but according to us, option number A is right option. Troop related to beta artist. I am telling you as soldiers here, as soldiers group make army, as artist group make troop. Got my point or not? Very simple, we have ideas of understanding which you will get to feel, which words you will get to feel. For the right have, so firstly cross all the options. Which options are wrong, have those options firstly cross. Right answer will be you will get by own. We have remain few more questions. Let's ready firstly erase then. Okay. Now question number 18 have or 17 have? 18 have. Question number 18 question what saying? Tortoise related to reptile same as relation find beta, same as relation find of two options which matching as together matching option word number first. Snack related to amphibians. Snack related to beta amphibians. Amphibians. Got my point beta? Amphibians. Here one issue have PH have. Okay, amphibian right have. Amphibian, and the frog is related to bird. Frog is related to bird. Option number third what saying? Crow related to fly. Crow related to beta fly. Then same manner elephant related to beta elephant related to mammal. Got? Here you will have to learn something. Okay, tortoise are reptile. Got my point? Tortoise is the name of reptile. Yes or no? First word is the name of second word. Got my point? Snack is amphibian. A snack is amphibian. No, snack is not amphibian. Confirm have. Frog is bird. No, frog is not a bird. Yes or no? Next, crow relation. Crow is the name bird have, and fly is the work of crow have. So this option will be wrong because here no matter as relation. Elephant mammal, as tortoise are reptile, as elephant are mammals. Yes, so option number 4th will be the right option, and this question has been asked by CHSL 2018 tier 1st. Got my point or not? Most important PYQ have, most important. Got? Okay. Okay, now question number 19. Regret related to black. Regret related to black. Same relation saying find the relation between two of them which are together as formation matching. As here saying red is related to green beta. Red is green. Second option what saying rank related to star. Rank related to star. Option number third saying danger related to green. Danger related to beta green. Okay, now pink related to pencil. Okay, understand. Here saying regret related to black. Yes or no? Regret related to, when we feel regret is regret symbol is black. Yes, first word symbol is second word. Regret symbol is black, so red symbol is green. No, both are colors have pencil. Rank rank is a star. Yes, rank hold here have, and rank regret as feeling. Regret is the feeling have, and those black is the symbol have, same as rank one have, and rank symbol what have stars. Yes or no? As per you seen have how many stars you got in your ranking. So this option will be the right option number second. Third option check danger related to green. Danger is our one kind of nature of feeling. Yes, nature of understanding, and green is not related to danger. Danger symbolization by red. Yes or no? Red zone you listen have danger zone, red zone. So this option will be wrong option. Pink related to pencil. There are no relation between pink and pencil. So this also cross. Option number second is the right option have. This question has been asked CHSL 2018 batch, tier number first. Got my point? Hope you understood very well. No any problem. Yes or no? Okay. Now the last question of the day. This series part number second, day second of reasoning session. I know you are able not to be fine, but if you try to write with me, then you can write. If you are unable, then pause the video, take time to write. Okay, last question. Ohm related to resistance. 20 number question. Ohm related to resistance. Same as manner to find which matching together beta. Very simple have. Temperature related to degree, option number first. Temperature, 1 minute, firstly check then right here. Temperature related to beta degree, and option number second what saying power related to watt. Power related to beta watt. And option number third what saying hectare related to area. Hectare related to beta area, same as manner. Option number fourth what saying electric current related to ampere. Electric current related to beta ampere. Here which option will be right? Let's check it. Ohm related to resistance. Yes or no? As per no, ohm is the as per we know, ohm is the unit of resistance. Ohm is the unit of resistance. That means first option is the unit of second option. So temperature is the unit of degree. No, degree measure, temperature measure in the degree. Yes or no? So this is wrong have, because degree if at first place have, then right have. Power measure in watt. Yes, but ohm is the unit of resistance, but here power is the unit of watt. That's why this option will be wrong. Hectare is the measurement scale have, and hectare is the measurement scale of area. Even can say hectare is the unit of area. Yes or no? So right option will be option number third. Fourth option check electric current measured by ampere. Yes, right have, but here ampere should take first place. Ampere unit of electric current, not electric current is the unit of ampere. Yes or no? Wrong. Option number third is the right option. This question has been asked by CHSL 2018 tier first. So today, as per you seen, we have completed our 20 question series in part second. Hope you very well understood. If any kind of problems, any kind of issues have, then you easily can ask. Okay, and if you not seen part first, then please go in the playlist video. There side you will get reasoning for SSC. Okay, reasoning for SSC, and their side part firstly you compulsory have to see. And if you want to see the current affair series, then current affair playlist series we have making for started from 20 of June, 21st of June we have completed current affair series. You can complete out. Okay, so thank you so much to join us, and thank you so much to give us support and feelings, whatever you have feel for us. Thank you so much for everything. Best of luck. Jai Hind.